Hello everyone, I'm Nyeching Daniel. Breaking news from South Sudan. Tensions are rising as a prominent Nuer spiritual leader, Makuach Tut, rejects dialogue and moves his forces toward Pigi County in Jonglei State. Makuach Tut, commander of White Army militias in Ayod County, left Mogok village and reached Chulbong in Pajul Payam, signaling a potential advance toward Pigi County and even Malakal, the capital of Upper Nile State. Local officials report that White Army militias, composed largely of Nuer youth, have been fighting alongside Mashar's SPLAIO against government forces in Upper Nile since early this year. Efforts to engage Makuach in dialogue have failed. Ayod County Commissioner James Chul Jeek confirmed that the state governor, Dr. Riek Gai Kok, had planned a peace visit, but Makuach is not ready for talks and is moving closer to PG, raising fears of renewed conflict. Upper Nile State Governor General James Kong Chul warned against renewed fighting, urging Jonglei authorities to help de-escalate tensions. Meanwhile, Press Secretary Manath Gaini Luol confirmed that peace efforts are ongoing, but the governor has not recently visited Ayod. Makuach is demanding the release of First Vice President Riek Machar and SPLA-IO Chief of General Staff General Gabriel Dupe. Lam as a condition to halt his advance. Both leaders are currently under house arrest or detention. South Sudan has seen renewed tensions since February, following clashes between the government and White Army. Militias in Upper Nile. The coming days could determine whether dialogue succeeds or the region faces further violence. This is North Global News. Subscribe for continuous updates on South.